This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Slacken the clamp nut and pull the negative lead from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle body chassis rails and raise the vehicle until the front wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis rail and lower the jack. The starter motor is located under the front of the engine. Undo the two nuts and disconnect the wiring assembly from the starter and solenoid. Undo the 3 retaining bolts from the transmission bell housing and remove the starter motor. Manoeuvre the starter motor into position, then refit the 3 retaining bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Locate the wiring assembly over the starter and solenoid studs, then tighten the retaining nuts securely. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Refit the negative lead clamp and tighten the nut securely.